Bluey sprinted across the glowing volcano fast. Bingo tumbled behind, laughing loud. Suddenly the ground shook violently. Muffin shouted, "Hold on!" Could the lava erupt? Bandit grabbed Chili's hand tight. Rusty pointed at a massive crater bubbling. Indy gasped, "It's glowing red hot." Could something rise from the magma? From the molten rock emerged a colossal lava golem, huge. Its body glowed orange and red, fierce. Socks barked, nervously pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is dangerous." Could they survive? The golem stomped forward, shaking the ground hard. Bingo clutched her balloon high. Muffin hid behind Chili, worried. Could courage protect them? Bandit raised a sturdy branch, ready. Rusty grabbed a glowing rock for backup. Indy shouted, "Stay together." Could teamwork defeat it? Bluey noticed cracks glowing along the golem's chest, bright. She shouted, "Aim there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling stone fast. Could it weaken the beast? The golem roared, sparks and lava flying everywhere. The volcano trembled loud. Socks barked, dodging molten splashes. Could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a boulder, shouting, "Move forward." Rusty swung his rock, blocking lava. The golem paused, confused. Could cleverness calm it? Suddenly the golem froze completely still. Its eyes softened, amber warm. Chili whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing stone. Could teamwork finish it? The cracks pulsed brighter, then faded. The golem bowed its head, majestic. Smoke and lava cleared, revealing a glowing crystal inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the lava flowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous, bright. Could the next journey be wilder? The friends stepped through together, brave. The volcano twisted into a floating sky realm, sparkling. Bingo laughed, amazed. Muffin twirled around, happy. Could endless adventures await? Above them, flaming birds circled wildly. Sparks of lava scattered across the rocks. Rusty shouted, "Keep watching." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the volcano guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high, shining. The light spread across the sky, bright. Chili smiled, proud. Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling, massive. Glittering worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can face anything together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you step in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, hit subscribe, and leap into the next volcanic adventure with Bluey and friends.